In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your downloaded videos on YouTube. First on mobile, here we are on my iPhone. Open up the YouTube app, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account, then tap your profile icon in the lower right-hand corner to bring up your history and settings, and then just tap the gear icon or the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom under video and audio preferences and tap into background and downloads. Tap into that section there. You should see a button towards the bottom that says delete downloads, and then just tap delete to delete all downloaded videos and playlists. When you go back to your background and download section here, make sure you don't have recommended downloads turned on. Also make sure you haven't turned on smart downloads, because if that's the case, you're going to fill this folder up very quickly and you're going to see a lot of stuff that you probably just don't want here. So make sure all of those things are disabled and you should be good to go. If you're over on desktop or on your computer, what you want to do here is go to YouTube, log into your account, click the upper right-hand corner on your profile image, and then just go down to where you see settings, which is the gear icon, and then click the option that says downloads in the left-hand sidebar. And this is where you can see a button that says delete all downloads. By clicking on that and then confirming with clicking delete one more time, you've deleted all of your downloaded videos and playlists here on the desktop. Just remember, all downloads are device specific. So if you download something on your phone, it's only going to show up on that device. Same thing goes for desktop and any other device that you're viewing and downloading videos on. Just once again, a reminder, over on desktop, make sure you don't have smart downloads turned on unless you just want, because you're going to have videos here that you just probably don't want downloaded. With that said, there'll be some frequently asked questions down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.